Hey everyone, welcome back. So we're going to take a look at another product from the Final Details. This is their interior quick detailer. So again, I want to thank Steve for sending this out to me. Like all quick interior detailers, this is going to be your maintenance product to, wipe off your interior if it has like dust and whatnot. So if you have like heavy caked on dirt, you're probably have to go to a more dedicated interior cleaner. So this is more of a maintenance product like the DIY Detail Interior Cleaner Protect, Pilot from Armor Detail Supply. So those type of products there. If you do add, I should say, if you use it with like what is it, Auto Fiber Scrub Ninja, then yes, you will increase the cleanability because that is a little bit more of aggressive product than just using like a microfiber towel. So directions are pretty straightforward. I actually let my dad use this on his Impala and he actually enjoyed it. But directions are pretty straightforward. So shake well before use. Surface should be cool and out of direct sunlight. Not a problem because it's actually raining outside. So that's why I'm just doing stuff on the interior here. Spray in a towel and spread across the surface. Dash, trim, plastic and vinyl. Flip towel and clean and buff off. A great all-in-one cleaner for light cleaning that has anti-static and UV blocking properties. So pretty straightforward product here. Like I said, my dad used it. Actually left a nice finish on there. So I'll just show you the interior real quick. I'll just kind of get this shaken here. My interior is just dusty and it has like a super fine layer of dust on this. You can barely see anything. You can see it here on the dash, some dust there, some light dust here. So again, my interior stays pretty darn clean. And then I used Dash Pro. So I used the plastic conditioner and I had to redo it after a few months. Just going to point this out because the interior here was looking a little dry. So I had to use the plastic conditioner again just to kind of rehydrate it. So it did pretty well. I think it was like 6 months, somewhere around there. And then I topped it with a Dash Pro, and I did the same thing on all the door panels and pretty much every single piece of plastic here. So everything has got a double coat here of the Dr. Beasley's combination. So I'm going to just shake this up, and we're going to just do a couple spritzes here. Let's kind of shake this out because my towel had some stuff on here. All right, so just gonna go ahead and lightly wipe this down. Pretty straightforward stuff. I mean, it's an interior detailer, so there's no it's nothing too crazy in terms of using it. Okay, I'm gonna flip it. Again, I'm just wiping light dust, so, and it's gonna leave like a real nice finish. So it actually looks like it enhanced it a little bit, which is pretty good. So I don't know if this has any kind of enhancement in terms of darkening the finish. It actually does look pretty good in here. Let me actually spray one more spray in here. I'm going to do this piece up here just to kind of wipe up the dust. Okay, flip it. So it actually looks real nice. So it looks like it does do a nice job restoring the finish. And again, I can go over multiple areas like that I touch here. So again, my towel's not getting overly dirty because again, I'm just doing a wipe down to remove a layer of dust. Set all this back up to where I had it, and I'll see if I can get to the area that has dust up here on this piece. Let me just kind of do one more spritz on the towel. Switch hands here. I'm going to go lefty. Okay, so I'm going to bring it in close. Just going to roll it. I don't know if I got it all. If I did, I'll just go over it one more time. And you can see it's pretty clean. I'll just take my towel and shove it right here between the thing. I'm just trying to reach over here because I'm actually in the passenger seat, so just gonna wipe my scrubbiness. Again, I'm not picking up a lot of dirt because again, I just cleaned this interior not too long ago. So it's pretty straightforward. I'm gonna wipe down this dash cluster here, which I think it's okay to do. It doesn't say anything in there. And then I'll just flip my towel and wipe it up. So I'm just going to continue going around the entire interior like this that I can. And I'm trying to take a whiff, but it smells pretty good on there. It doesn't have like anything overly powerful that's going to linger in there. So I just added one more spritz, and then here's some more dust. Actually, do need a vacuum in here. So as far as like surface dust, did a good job enhancing that. So it looks pretty good. So again, you're going to get some UV protection, anti-static properties here. A nice clean finish. I mean, it looks pretty darn good here on the dash. Nothing too crazy when it comes to maintaining your interior. I know people are going to say, well, I want to see the dirty interior. Well, here's the problem. I don't let my car's interior get dirty that often, so I'll tend to kind of wipe it down. And sometimes I'll just use a rinseless wash. So if I have some leftover rinseless wash, I will just go ahead and just use that to wipe down the interior. I'll just get a damp towel, come in here and knock it down. So I tend to do that as well. But if you're looking for a dedicated interior spray detailer, I mean, this is a good product here. I'm just going to kind of get in this seam here. And this does a good job. And since my dad used it on his car, I've noticed that, again, it's stayed dust free a lot longer on his dash. So it does do a good job at adding anti-dusting properties here. So I'm just going to go ahead and, or anti-static properties to kind of just keep it clean here. So overall, I think it's a real nice user-friendly product here. Definitely consider picking this up. So if you're kind of want to try something new, say you're running low on your typical stock, you know, just go ahead and give this a shot. Again, it's a veteran-owned business, so you can support your veterans. Overall, it's a real nice product here. So if you're running low on your DIY detail interior clean and protect, or if you're running low on, what's another one, Armor Details by Pilot, I'm kind of just going off the top of my head here, CarPro, Inner QD, maybe your PNF Swift. If you're running low on those and you want to try something new, I definitely consider this. I forget the price, but it's pretty affordable here. And again, they offer a nice spray trigger in here. Overall, real nice product from the Final Details, so definitely consider picking this up. And I want to thank Steve for sending this out to me here and testing their product lineup. They have some real nice products in the lineup here. And again, you're going to be supporting your fellow veteran here in the U.S. So again, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions on this, go ahead and post down below, and catch you next one. Take care, everyone.